Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing a simple, quick, and easy back to school makeup tutorial. With that being said, let's get started. I'm going to prime my face with the Wet n Wild Glass Correct, and this is the primer base. A little goes a long way. So all I'm doing is that I'm rubbing it all over my face and over my eyelids. This will ensure that my makeup will stay all day. I am using my Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. Remember to go with small strokes until you fill in the eyebrow as desired. Then get your concealer and just clean up your eyebrows a little bit. Now I'm using the e.l.f. bronze palette. I'm going to get a fluffy brush and I'm going to dip it into the bronze palette, and I'm going to use this as an eyeshadow. I'm going to put this first on the crease line, and then I'm going to sweep it in basically all over the eyelid. And of course this is as desired, so it just basically depends on how warm you want your eyelids to look. Now I am using my Wet n Wild foundation, and I'm going to apply this all over my face in little dots. And of course I don't want a lot of it, I want some of it. I'm going to get my e.l.f. setting spray. I'm going to spritz it once, and also a lot of times in my beauty blender. This will ensure that even if I sweat, the foundation will stay as long as needed. Now I am using my Wet n Wild concealer, and I'm applying this on the areas that I feel need more concealing, especially like where I have little pimples or I have my scars. I'm going to get my bronze e.l.f. palette, and I'm going to apply this to bronze up my face, kind of bringing it alive is what I like to say. And yes, I'm doing the fish face. I like doing the fish face because it tells me where to apply it. So you just suck in your cheeks like a fish, and you just see where your cheekbones are at and apply it there. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more concealer on the top. I'm going to warm it up with my finger first, and then I'm going to use a beauty blender. This will ensure that I will get more coverage in that area. Now I am going in with the Hello Kitty ColourPop Cosmetics blush. Remember, you can use any products, and also a little by little with the blush, so a little goes a long way. I like doing the smiling trick because it tells me where to apply the blush. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my eyelash curler and curl my lashes. Now I am getting my Maybelline mascara, and I'm going to start applying it, but remember to swirl it before you pull the mascara out and apply it. Make sure you evenly coat your lashes and do the swiggling because that ensures you do. When I'm just wearing mascara, I like to do 2 applications to it. So I like to do my first one and then redo it again. That ensures that it looks like fake eyelashes. Now I'm using my e.l.f. setting spray, and I'm also using a Wet n Wild brown eyeliner pencil. I'm going to do my eyeliner trick to get a little wing. Now I'm going all over on my waterline. This is the final look, you guys. What do you guys think? That's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like this tutorial, and happy good back to school day. I hope it all goes well, and if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these, plus it's free. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys.